Yo, so you just described what you really wanted. Now let's have Claude Code actually write it in for you. All right, let's get to the scene. Here we go. So picking off where we left off yesterday, here's what I want you to do. Launch Claude Code inside the demo folder. I'll scroll up so you can see we CD'd into it, and then we launch Claude Code right here. And now we're actually in the folder, clicking off exactly where we left off from our last video. So now we're going to ask it to edit the README. Here's what I want you to type in word for word. Follow this. Add a line to the README that says this project is a personal AI operating system built with Claude. Once you have that in there, hit OK, hit enter, and let's see what it does. So if it didn't do it right away, it's probably going to ask you for permissions. Just press enter on that and don't worry about it. And as you can see, it just added this project is an AI operating system. It's crazy. Simple as that. You don't need to find out where that file is. It'll just say it right away. It'll find it for you and put it in there. You can also review and approve the changes. If you don't like it, just say remove that. Very simple. You can kind of talk to it like as if you were on chat or Claude, ChatGPT or Claude. You can kind of talk to it like that, and it will know which files to edit. Here's what I want you to type in. Read the README file, the entire file right here. Read it. Probably gonna talk to it better, but as you can see, I didn't even give it a clean command, but it has the context of the README file right here. It just read the entire file. I didn't even give it a clean command, and it still understood what I was trying to say. And this is what we talked about earlier, when you don't have to really be a developer anymore. You can do the basics, know the basics, and you can do great things with Claude Code. So all in all, right, you just described what you want in plain English. It wasn't really good English, but you described what you wanted. There was no copy and pasting, no switching tabs. You just told Claude Code to do it, and it did it. Nothing that you had to actually do. So closing up, all in all, describe the change, review it, and approve it. The next video will focus on fixing a bug the same way.